Jump! Jump! Come on, jump!
Come on, man, jump! You got it!
Hey, what's happening? Who's the idiot?
That's some washed-up rapper.
It's Mad Dog. Used to be a real chart-topping cat, real player.
Mad Dog?
Jump!
Oh, man.
Jump! Come on!
Lost all his money in the casino and went boxo.
Hey, Mad Dog! What you doing up there, fool?
Come on,
Do
I know you?
already. Don't be a wuss.
I don't think so,
Come on,
so shut
jump.
the fuck up. This is the end.
jump,
So,
you bum.
No,
dog! Get a grip, dude! Get a grip! You still got it? You still gangster?
I don't give a fuck no more. My manager got killed, some asshole stole my rhyme book. Shit is rough. All the kids like this Loco G or whatever the fuck his name is, some fake-ass gangster rapper bullshit. Liquor's my only friend.
Come on, dog! You just need a new manager, baby. You looking at him.
I hate y'all.
Come in off that ledge,
Hey,
man.
don't talk him out of jumping. We got good money on this.
Yeah, good odds, too.
Damn, this town is cold.
Man, jump!
Stay the fuck away. Stay the fuck away. I'm the best rapper in the universe. I'll jump. I'll jump.
Hell no, I gotta catch this fool.
What the fuck you doing? Jump, it'll save your career.
Stay back.
Jump, you fool.
It's time. I'm gonna do it.
Time to take your sorry ass to rehab, you drunken idiot.
Am I still the top rapper, dude?
Best there ever was. Second to nobody else, homeboy. And the name's Carl.
Thanks, Carl. Brandy. I need more brandy. Where all my bitches? My bitches!
For your life, please.
Hey, get yourself straightened out, then we can get you back in the studio.
Carl,
What?
when I get clean, I'm gonna need a new manager. Thought I might look you up.
Yeah, you do that, homie. Hello?
Carl, it's me, Ken. The Leone family has made their move. Salvatore's here. Now, he's taken over Caligula's. We're screwed. It's war for control of Venturas, man. War! War! There's word of some triad visitors, something that should keep them busy. I'm calling from the bathroom. I gotta go. I really gotta go.
Catalina, is that you again?